So I have this Dracaena inside. I've had it in here for a long time. And since we moved up here to this house, it was like 4 years ago, I I believe I first started noticing like this little, like maybe a year after we moved in, I noticed something sprouting, right? And it was coming up right there. And I was like, what the heck is that? And it's literally just this like blade, like a single long blade. I have to kind of tuck it in here because it started to flop over. But I have no idea what it is, how it got in there. And then recently it made this little funny loop. Let me see if I can get a better view. So there's a weird little loop right there. And other than that, I have nothing. I have no idea. I don't know what it is, how it got in there. I mean, I know that I will often just stick random seeds and stuff in a pot. I was like, what is this sprouting here? Did I throw like an almond? Was it I had no idea. I really have no idea. And I still have no idea who this little buddy is. So if you have any idea and you've had a Dracaena do anything like this, or you recognize this, like, I mean, again, this loop is new. This is within the last 2 months. And it is just a tall, long, single blade. That's it. I would love if anyone has had anything similar occur in their Dracaena or in a potted plant, or if you're like, I know exactly what that is. I'm stumped. It's been a mystery for years, and I'm just not getting around posting it, but look at that. Isn't that funny? All right, guys, help me out.